Hello YouTube, in this tutorial I will be dealing with the style attributes of HTML. So if you have a little bit of idea about what is HTML, what is HTML programming, then you can directly get started with this video. Or if you don't have the idea about what is HTML programming, then I highly recommend you to watch my previous video where I discussed about the basic structures of websites, and I also made a very basic kind of web page. Okay, so let's get started now. So here is a simple HTML document I have created just before I start my video, because I didn't want to type this in while the video was running, because it will make my video longer and boring. Okay, so I think you guys already have the idea about what these four tags are, because if you have watched my previous video or any other video, you have the very basic knowledge about what is HTML. Okay, and I will be directly skipping it to body this time, because I don't feel any necessities to explain these four tags, because these are the very basic tags, and this almost all the websites has these tags at the beginning. Okay, so this is the body tag with the color yellow. In order to give any kind of styles in the text or style in the text, no matter is its alignment, is font style or font size or font color, you need to type it as follows. Suppose I want to change the color, I want to change the alignment of the first heading. So what I will do is that after h1 I will give one space and type style, then equal sign, and then double quotation mark, text dash align, then colon, then center, then semicolon, then double quotation mark, then with angle bracket closed. Okay, don't forget to add the semicolons and colons or the quotation marks, because a slight mistake may change your output, which you don't want. Okay, so always take care about this while you type any HTML document. Although the HTML language is not case sensitive, but I highly recommend you to look whatever you're typing before saving it. Okay, and also I highly recommend you to use the lowercase letters, because it will be good while you are looking at the text, because you will be already typing the paragraphs and heading with the block letters and small letters, combining them. That's why I don't recommend you to type the tags in the block letters. Okay, let's go to the paragraph now. So this is the paragraph font. This is the paragraph tag. Okay, if you want a simple paragraph without any font style, font size, anything like that, you will just type it start like this, angle bracket start, p angle bracket ends. And if you want to end that tag, simply what you will do is that angle bracket start, then / p, then angle bracket close. It's just as simple as this. Okay, now whatever I did here is, in the first heading the text will be aligned to the center, in the second heading the text will be aligned to the left, and in the third heading the text color will be green and the text will be in its default alignment. And this is the paragraph tag, where this sentence is a paragraph. Well, this is very short paragraph, you can also call it as a sentence. Okay, and this text will be appearing in a font size of 200%, and this BR is an empty element of HTML document, which will create a gap between this paragraph and this paragraph. Similarly, it will create a gap between this paragraph and this paragraph. And similarly, I have a last paragraph with the font style Arial. So this will be so the text will be in Arial font, and this text will be in Cooper font. So here I add the body and HTML, as this is the must, because without any HTML you will get a wrong output, or you will get a blank output, which I usually get when I make mistake while typing the HTML, or if I miss any kind of very important elements. So that's how you make a website with this type of style attributes. So now let me save it and open it from the local hard drive. Okay, so in order to save, as I said in my previous video, go to File, Save As, and choose any name. For this I will choose a style attributes.html. Now save it, and I will be opening my web browser. Now one thing guys, let me tell you, whenever we open a website which is located on a server, we typed www, but if the web page or website, whatever you call it, is located on the local hard drive, then there is a different command to open it. So for example, here it is file colon www.g, and whatever the name I given it right now, style attributes.html, and hit enter. So this is the website that I have created just now. So this is the this text are aligned to the left, this text are in green color, the font size of this text is 200%, here it is 150%, and this text this paragraph is in font style Cooper, and similarly this is an Arial. As I told that the BR element will be creating a break or line break between these two between these three paragraphs. As you see, the font size of this text is 200%. Okay, between this sentence and the font size of this text is 150%. There is a gap which has been created by that BR element. Similarly, it goes for this. So guys, that was the video. I hope that you have enjoyed watching it. Hit like to my video if you have really enjoyed, and also subscribe me for more HTML videos like this, and I will be making new videos about HTML. Okay, so stay tuned for that and subscribe me as I said before, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.